haku. Haku, to sweep or to vomit. They are the same sound, haku, haku. Totally the same sound. Have to distinguish them. Soto o haku, to sweep outside. Soto ni haku or soto de haku, to vomit outside. The difference is just particles.
朝はいつも何をしていますか？
How do I say sweep outside?
She tried to say, I sweep outside every morning.
But she said,
私は毎朝外に吐きます。
I vomit outside every morning. 私は毎朝外に吐きます。I vomit outside every morning. 私は毎朝外を吐きます。I sweep outside every morning.
so you should focus the particles, but don't worry about them too much. Too much. We can understand the meaning by its context. This is just an exercise for the Japanese speech accent. Don't worry about them too much. Good luck with your studies. 外を吐く、外に吐く。外を吐いて、外に吐く。頑張ってください。